For the face, I'm going with something very dewy and lightweight, and I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream and the Colourpop No Filter Foundation, and I am blending that out with a beauty sponge. Using a really lightweight powder, this is the Becca Hydra Mist powder. I'm just going to use this to set my face, and I am just taking the beauty sponge and putting that all over my face because we want this look to be super dewy and very glowy because we are trying to be very angelic. To bronze slash contour the face up, I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I am just going to add some color back into my cheeks and my forehead. And I'm going to take this light peachy shade and use that as a blush for today. I'm just going to dust that lightly over the apples of my cheeks. As for lips, I'm keeping it very nude using this very like nude pinky liner, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with the Dose of Colors Let's Cuddle lipstick. To look super dewy, I'm spritzing my face with some MAC Pro Longwear, and I'm just fanning it out afterwards. As for highlight, I'm taking the shade Vanilla Quartz by Becca because it is very like ethereal looking because it's very light and reflective, and that was the whole point of this look, was to have really soft like bronzing, soft on the eyes, soft on the lips, and then just look very glowy and ethereal, just like how you would think an angel would look. I'm taking this yellow liner by NYX, and I'm just going to create a little halo above my eyebrow, and I actually did do another little one off camera towards the end of the video above the other eyebrow. And then going into the eyeshadow, I'm just going to take these two transition shades and put them right into the crease. They're these soft brown shades, like I said, going for a very neutral, not anything too exciting or too ham on the eyes. And then I'm just taking this other neutral brown shade on a smaller blending brush just to deepen up the color just a little bit, and then also put something on the outer corner of my eye. The main focus I want to be is the liner. Alright, and then I'm taking this shimmer shade right here on this One Wild packing brush and putting that right on the inner corner of my eye and bringing it almost to the center of the lid. And I got this inspiration from someone off of Instagram. I'll have her Instagram down below. I believe it's like Chloe Beauty. And this is also the same person that I got the inspiration for the devil look as well. So they kind of go hand in hand with each other. But I'm just continuing to highlight. So I highlighted my brow bone, my eyelids, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eye, and then obviously like I highlighted my entire face earlier, so. To make my halo stand out more, I'm putting this like ethereal like glitter liner over it from NYX, and then I'm going in with the white NYX liner, and this is where we're going to do a winged liner, but we're going to actually make it look like angel wings. Now my wings didn't come out perfect, one side was a little bit shorter than the other, but I think you guys get the gist of it. I just kind of made little brush strokes flicking out of how I would draw a regular wing, and then I just filled it in as per usual, but I didn't take it all the way to the inner corner of the eye. I only took it to about like the center of my eye. Here I'm just curling my lashes, and I'm going to put some mascara on, the Clique High Impact Mascara, and then I'm going to put some Ardell false eyelashes on in the wispy styles. To pull in the rest of the look, I'm taking this Wet n Wild liner and putting that right on my waterline. But yeah, guys, that is the end of this look. I hope that you really enjoyed it. It is getting towards the end of the spooky season, but this is a really easy glam look if you want to choose it, or the devil counterpart. You could do one half of the angel, one half of the devil. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I think that it turned out really good. And see you in my next video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I hope that you guys enjoyed.